Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Add internet permission and Gradle dependencies like retrofit and a JSON converter. Once done, define lightweight data models that match the API's JSON and declare an API interface with annotated endpoint methods. Make sure to pick base URL and timeouts early. This early wiring avoids breaking changes later and gives you a clear contract for requests and responses, so your implementation step is focused on behavior rather than setup details. You now implement the core networking. Build an OK HTTP client with logging and auth interceptors, then create a retrofit instance with your chosen converter. Use Kotlin coroutines or Rx Java to run calls off the main thread. Suspend functions simplify lifecycle-aware code. Once responses arrive, map raw DTOs into UI-friendly models and centralize error handling for HTTP status codes and parsing exceptions. This keeps networking logic testable and reduces UI complexity by returning predictable results or typed failures. You finish by wiring the data service into your repository or view model, exposing safe methods to the UI and driving state for loading, success, and error. Add caching or retry strategies for intermittent network, and write simple integration tests or use mocked responses to validate behavior. For troubleshooting, if calls fail, confirm manifest permissions, base URL exactness, and correct headers. Then inspect OK HTTP logs for request/response bodies. That quick checklist usually reveals misconfigurations or auth issues, so you can fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.